Audio editors can be expensive, but luckily there is Audacity. Audacity is a free and open-source audio editor with many powerful features. In this video, we'll show you how to download and install it, which may help you get started with creating your own perfect audio. Plus, make sure to stick around, because later we'll show where to get more features for Audacity that could potentially be game-changing for you in your workflows. Now let's get started. Step 1 is to download Audacity. Open up your web browser and head to the Audacity website. A link is available in the description of this video. When you arrive at the Audacity website, scroll down and then click on the Download Audacity button. Your operating system is then automatically detected, and the corresponding installation file starts to download. When the download is finished, we'll need to find and open the installation file. Here, we use Google Chrome, which let us open it directly at the bottom section of the window. Click on Open to start the installer program, and the installer window will appear on the screen. Now it's time for Step 2, Installation. Start with selecting your language and click OK. This brings us to the Audacity Setup wizard. Press Next to continue. The next step is to accept the license agreement. Audacity is licensed under the General Public License, which is a free, copyleft license for software and other kinds of works. If you agree to the terms of this license, click to continue. Here you select your installation directory. The default option is usually the best, so we'll go with that. In this window, you may select to create a shortcut on the desktop, and if you prefer to reset preferences to factory defaults. We'd like to create a shortcut, so we'll only go with that. Now, we check the summary of our selections. It seems fine, so we'll click Install. After the files have been installed, you may read some more information about the application. Note that there is a link to the Audacity forum, where you may get support, report bugs, or share opinions. When you're done reading, click Next to continue. Finally, click Finish to launch the application. As you can see, Audacity starts and the installation is complete. Audacity is full of features, from basic functions such as recording and editing your audio to more advanced tools and effects. Nevertheless, sometimes that's not enough. Earlier, we promised to show you where you can get even more features for Audacity. Adding functionality can be accomplished by installing plugins. To check out what plugins might suit your needs, head to the Audacity plugins website. The link is in the description. On the website, you'll find plugins for improving voice recordings, removing noise, and much more. Here, you'll also find detailed instructions on how to install them. Now, here's a question. What will you use Audacity for? Voice recordings, podcasts, or perhaps making songs? Please share with us in the comments. Thank you for watching. Best wishes and see you in the next video.